Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here showing you the best way to get your flights. Okay, legit, this is the best place. Google.com/travel/flights. This is the best, the only place to get your best flights, and it's the cheapest way to get your best flights. Let's say we're about to, we're at New York right now. Let's just do New York. You know what I'm saying? New York to wherever. I don't know. You're about to go to France, dog, and you're about to leave to Colombia like right now. Look, it's only three. Look at that. 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 4:15 right now. We're gonna do 4:15. We leaving. We coming back on a 400. Why not, right? Because you got that. You got that expense. You know what I'm saying? You just hit search, right? And look, it finds the planes for the cheap. You're gonna be on Iceland Air in a second. See, and that's cool. Look at all that. Thank you, babe. Look at all that. Everything here cheap. I'm telling you. Hey, hey, don't believe me. Go ahead, check it out. Google flights. This is the best way and the only way that I know in the scene. You can also check the best insight so it finds the cheapest days to fly. That green stuff that I just showed you is pretty cool, and you can track prices for a trip, which is pretty dope too. And it has AI assist, you know. So I think this is definitely going to be cool. So yeah, you already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.